I just arrived at my home after watching the new Marvel movies called Thunderbolts. I think this is the same level as the Avengers movie. I think because there's a artistic symbol on after the S, and at the end of the movie it's called the New Avengers. So basically, this is a government's New Avengers, not the Sam Wilson's version of the Avengers. And I think this film is one of my favorite in the Phase 5 or Phase 6 for now. And it's very grounded movie. And look at my hair, is like, my hair is just like a sentry. I love how they built the character of the sentry here. The sentry is very humanized here. And besides his power is the same level as a Superman in the DC Comics, I think Sentry still has some kind of a humanity or human side in the story. And in part of the story is like a mental illness story. So all of the story-wise for this movie is all about the mental illness. It's very suit to the Gen Z like me, but for me, I don't think I have that kind of the mental illness. But I think I get a bad mental health, but I don't want to get used to it. So I think this film it doesn't suit me, but I still like it. So every Gen Z, you should watch this movie because you will know the pain in yourself, like Sentry or Yelena Belova. Oh my God. The main character in this movie is Yelena Belova. She is a very cool character. You know what? After watching this movie, I just thinking about maybe Black Widow movie is not that bad. They introduced Red Guardian and Yelena Belova and also Taskmaster, but I don't want to talk about that earlier because I'm gonna get really bad judge. Here's the thing. I'm gonna make a full review, and this is a very spoiler review on my YouTube, and maybe I'm gonna re-upload it to my TikTok or my Instagram, so just wait. This is gonna be my first long video on YouTube. It's a review for the Thunderbolts movie. I think this is a very good setup, very good beginning for our next review films, especially for the Marvel comics. Maybe I'm gonna review the other movie too, like Mission Impossible Final Reckoning and the others movie, but for this time I'm gonna focus on Thunderbolts. This is a very good film, very good opportunity, and this is the Avengers level film. So this is the first film before we get Avengers Doomsday and Avengers Secret Wars. This is a good movie. You should watch it. This is worth to watch.